Musa, we were picking raspberries.
Okay. Elijah, put on this one. Sige ka. Get na. Get direct and then...
Ini dang lemo dahil mo baso. Kukunin nga no? Nga na ako.
Elijah, give Abel. She like, just put on your palm. Sige na, start.
Ay, ini pa yung cherry dang. Tala nga ako.
Ayun yan. Raspberry, picking raspberry.
May bakit may babo.
Expensive raspberry on the wild.
Ay, dang grapes lo.
And cherry on the top.
Gukulate. Grapes na din.
Cherry. Yeah, that's the cherry. All of that cherry.
Ayan o yung babo.
Uh-huh.
Yung cherry tree niya.
But this is
I got a lot. I got a lot.
okay, show me. Wow. This is $1.88 per pound.
Papa, we're really
May ang ulap lang.
Mom!
Don't shout, Elijah. Give Abe yan. Malinis na rin.
Kape mo.
Ay, kape ito.
Aldiyan, lawa may tamang takap. Buwasan mo na yan.
Okay, bye.
Have a
Hey,
good
Belle,
day,
bye.
everybody. Have a good
Atin
summer.
yung kape, atin yung